UI and UX designers always talk about user habits, but have you really considered how persistent user habits are? Psychologists define user habit as a person's tendency to execute an action unconsciously. This is an automated mental response resulting from prolonged repetition and classical conditioning. A user's habit has a long-term effect on the user's behavior, which is resistant to external influence. For example, a Mac user might find Windows 11 a usability nightmare, as it would take a wizard to install and uninstall programs. User habit is a critical subject in UI/UX design because learning curves would arise when we try to change the habit of our user. There are two things to keep in mind when designing a new experience for our digital app. First, do not challenge user habits and encourage new habits under specific conditions. When Instagram changed its icon from the brown Polaroid to the purple, pink, yellow gradient, users registered complaints and resentment against Meta, saying that the change in Instagram's color scheme makes it difficult to locate the app on the home screen. Likewise, your design should not go against users' mental shortcuts. Second, suppose you need to make a significant change to a successful product at the risk of upsetting your users. In that case, the change must either bring about a substantial experience improvement, or it should be in line with your company's long-term development strategies. For instance, when the Instagram icon change happened, it did annoy certain users. The Meta company was able to create a much more modern and stylish experience for the company's younger audience base. Instagram did distinguish itself from the underperforming Facebook app after several years, proving the effectiveness of the rebranding. I hope this was helpful. Do not forget to visit our website at void.com. This is Sam. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.